Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to export your contact list from the Telegram app on your PC with the latest update. Whether you need a backup of your connections or just prefer having your contacts saved outside the app, this quick guide will help you get it done in just a few minutes. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, which is the main menu button. Go ahead and click on it. From the menu, select the Settings option. Here, you'll find various customization and privacy options. For this process, you need to head into the Advanced section within the settings. Inside the Advanced menu, scroll down until you find the option that says Export Telegram Data. This is where Telegram lets you create backups of your information, but since we only want the contact list, the process will stay quick and efficient. When the export window opens, you'll see multiple types of data you can choose from. Uncheck everything except for contact list. This ensures that only your saved contacts will be included in the export file. After selecting your preference, click on the Export button. Telegram will now prepare your data. Depending on the size of your contact list, this might take a short moment. Once the export is complete, you'll see an option that says, Show My Data. Click this to view the file Telegram has created for you. Your exported contacts will now be available in a neatly organized file on your computer. You can keep it as a backup, use it for transferring to another account, or simply store it for safekeeping. And that's it. You've successfully exported your contact list from the Telegram app on your PC using the latest update. It's a straightforward process, and now you have full control of your contact information outside the app. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to keep these steps in mind for the future whenever you need to back up your Telegram contacts.